Unit 6, Lessons 2 and 3 test. Number 1. Rocks of all types can be classified according to their texture. Which of the following correctly describes texture? A. It describes the sizes, shapes, and solubility of the grains that make up the rock. B. It describes the sizes, shapes, and positions of the grains that make up the rock. C. It describes the magnetism, shape, and compositions of the grains that make up the rock. Number 2. Igneous rocks form when magma cools and solidifies. As magma cools, minerals form. What effect will the rate at which the magma cools have on the texture of the igneous rock? A. The faster the magma cools, the smaller the crystals in the rock. B. The faster the magma cools, the more foliated the rock's texture. C. The slower the magma cools, the more foliated the rock's texture. 3. Which of the following correctly describes the difference between a mineral and a rock? A. Rock can be made of inorganic material, but minerals are always organic. B. Rocks are made of naturally occurring material, but minerals can be synthetic. C. Rock can be made of organic material, but minerals are always inorganic. Number 4. The formation of igneous rock is related to magma. How is magma different from lava? A. Lava is magma that erupts onto the Earth's surface. B. Lava is hot, liquid rock, and magma is solidified lava. C. Lava forms foliated rocks, and magma forms non-foliated rocks. Number 5. Granite forms when liquid magma slowly cools within the Earth's crust. If the granite is exposed to intense heat and pressure, it can change into a rock called gneiss. Which type of change takes place when granite turns into gneiss? A. Sedimentary rock changes to igneous rock. B. Igneous rock changes to metamorphic rock. C. Metamorphic rock changes to igneous rock. Number 6. Which of the following best describes how sedimentary rock forms? A. Molten rock beneath the surface of the earth cools and becomes solid. B. Layers of sediments become compressed to form rock. C. Molten rock reaches the surface and cools to become solid rock. Number 7. Sedimentary rock and igneous rocks are both kinds of rocks. How are they different from one another? A. One is formed with horizontal layers and the other with vertical layers. B. Sedimentary rock is formed from fragments of existing rocks, and igneous rock is produced when magma or lava cools. C. One is formed when lava cools above the Earth's surface, and the other when magma cools below the Earth's surface. Number 8. Which are the 3 basic classifications of rocks? A. Sedimentary, igneous, metamorphic. B. Foliated, non-foliated, metamorphic. C. Igneous, extrusive, and intrusive. Number 9. A geologist is investigating changes that occur during the rock cycle. Which of the following takes place when magma turns into igneous rock? A. Cooling. B. Uplifting. C. Weathering. Number 10. Rocks are always part of the rock cycle, even though they may stay in one part of it for millions of years. Which part of the rock cycle leads to the forming of sedimentary rocks, but not to other types of rocks? A. Erosion. B. Cooling. C. Metamorphism. Number 11. Over time, repeated cycles of heating and cooling can cause a rock to crack. The rock may break into smaller pieces. What is this process called? A. Deposition. B. Subsidence. C. Weathering. Number 12. A volcanic eruption took place about 2 billion years ago and released lava onto the Earth's surface. The lava cooled to form basalt. Which process will be needed to transform the basalt, an igneous rock, into sedimentary rock? A. Sifting and floating. B. Heating and cooling. C. Erosion and deposition. Number 13. Which of these phrases defines subsidence? A. The Earth's crust sinking. B. Earth's crust shifting sideways. C. Earth's crust moving in any direction. Number 14. Slate is a metamorphic rock that forms from shale, which is a sedimentary rock. Which of the following would be needed for slate to form from shale? A. Weathering. B. Heat and pressure. C. Melting and solidification. Number 15. Granite forms when liquid magma slowly cools within the Earth's crust. Basalt can form when lava cools on the Earth's surface. What do granite and basalt have in common? A. They are kinds of igneous rock. B. They are identical in color and texture. C. They are made up of layers of sediment.